Hello everyone, this time to introduce you is a new type of photovoltaic special wrench. Photovoltaic wrench is a multifunctional tool for the installation, commissioning and maintenance of solar photovoltaic systems, such as tightening screws, tightening terminal, adjusting the angle of the photovoltaic module can be solved by this wrench. Our photovoltaic special wrenches are available in orange and black. Orange looks stylish and generous. Black looks stable and elegant. You can choose the right color according to your personal preference or working environment. At the same time, this photovoltaic special wrench, due to its own material PA66 characteristics, has no skid, no marks, high safety factor.